Hello, wonderful YouTube universe. I'm Lorna. This is my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now so you can keep up with all of the cool things I do, which is mostly Stitch Fix unboxings at the moment. But I've got lots of things planned. Stay tuned for those things. I've got a Stitch Fix review for you for June 2021. Get excited. Get excited about this room, okay? This is my sunroom. I've been working on it for a really, really long time, since before my son came along, which is, I'm not gonna tell you how long ago that was because I don't want him to be almost 2 years old, but there we are. But this is my room. See my plants and my llama. I'm still working on it, but we are here. We've got wonderful, beautiful light coming in, so my exposure is probably going to be all over the place, but that's okay because we like things rough, tumble, and rowdy over here. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started, okay? I'm going to put my first outfit on for you. My first two items are this shirt and these shorts. Last time I told you how they were doing this Fix preview now, so you get like 12 or 13 items that you can choose from to go into your box. You can choose all of your items if you want. You could just choose 2. I chose 3 items for my box this time. These were 2 of them. This shirt is super, super comfortable. It is striped. It has this like hot pink pocket here. The collar on the inside is also hot pink, and it has these button details on the back. So, so cute. Super comfy, very, very me. These shorts, I really like the color. They're pretty good. Like, yeah. It looks like I can make them, okay, I can make them like super long if I want to. I don't know, this length feels pretty good. I'm not real into super short shorts anymore like I used to be back in the day, you know, like 2 years ago. I like both of these. I'm probably not going to keep this top. It's very similar to some other things that I have, and I don't necessarily need it. I do like it though. I like the little hot pink detail too. The shorts, I'm probably gonna keep these shorts. There's no reason for me not to. I can retire some of those short shorts from 2 years ago and have some nice, more like comfortable, relaxed shorts where I'm not worried about my butt hanging out. So I was not expecting to like this top like at all, but it is so darling. I mean, this lace detail on the shoulders, the little pom-pom things around the neck. Wow, and look at this. Look at this cute little tie detail in the back here at the neck. I mean, I looked at this on the little cheat sheet and I was like, I'm probably not gonna keep that. Now I don't know. Oh, it is so cute. I got a mirror over here once again. Never go anywhere without a mirror. I really like it. Oh, it's so cute. Will I ever wear it? That's always the question. Like, I love lots of things, but will I get a chance to wear this ever? I don't know. I know it's like really wrinkly right now, but like, it's also very, very thin. I don't know. Yeah, you can see my jeans through that. But I really like the length. Oh, this is so cute. I might keep this. Wow. I really like it. It's so cute. Look, hopefully it's refocusing. Look at this. Look at this detail. Oh, I think this is so cute. I like getting excited about things. Sometimes I don't get excited when they send me things. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, this will do. Wow, how flippant. But I really like this. This is so cute. I might keep it. My second to last item is this skirt. This, I don't know what material it is. First, this skirt is really, really comfortable. Like, it's comfortable. It even has little tiny pathetic back pockets. They're sun shut right now, so like I can't, you know, do that. They've got big front pockets. It's stretchy. I don't like this belt that's with it. Hey, buddy. Can you guys see him? You do, honey. Just see me in it. Hi. Hi. Thank you. You're a good boy. Yes, I heard you barking outside. This tie belt, I really don't like that at all. I don't even like how I styled it. They had it paired with a striped shirt, so I was like, well, I have a striped shirt, and maybe they meant like a different kind of striped shirt. I don't know. I just don't really like. It's comfy. Hi. Oh, you guys are seeing everybody. Hi, Lulu. Hi, Lulu. Hey, sweet girl. I don't see myself keeping these. It's the skirt. Oh, but it is like really comfortable. Like, I guess, I mean, okay, hold on. Okay. I mean, I'd have to wear a belt with it. Like, these will just come right off. I'm probably not gonna keep the skirt. Yeah, I mean, I'd take a pair of shorts in this material for sure. Hi, okay. They're all just laying down, good puppies. It's cute. Okay, this is my last item. It is an item that I picked from my my fix preview, whatever you call it. I picked it out not because I thought I was going to keep it, but because I just wanted to see what it was like. It is a romper, and look, it only took me buying a romper one time to realize that rompers were just completely impractical for adult human beings. They just are. That being said, I feel dang cute in this. I mean, real cute. Material is like super stretchy. It would be very hot in the summer. Not necessarily breathable, but very cute. It's got big old pockets. It has this cute little, it was tied over here when I put it on, but I figured that it's supposed to probably be like tied like this, right? Like on the other side, please. Anyway, it's got this nice crisscross in the front. The straps are adjustable. Not that they need to be adjusted for me. I have no chest, so this is about where it would live. It's just really cute. I'm really liking the way I feel in it. But I mean, gotta get totally undressed to go pee. Oh guys, y'all, I don't know. What if I keep this? What if I keep this romper? It's so cute. I didn't think I was gonna have a hard time deciding when I looked at my cheat sheet. I looked at those items and I was like, me, shorts, okay. But now, y'all, 3 items that I'm like really taken with. That's pretty good. Pretty good for me. Yeah, so that was my June 2021 Stitch Fix. I am very, very pleased with the things that they sent me. Didn't think I was gonna be, just sort of chose some random things and just didn't give them direction, which is sort of my MO these days. Just send me whatever, I just wanna try stuff. But this romper that I am still wearing is just really cute and really flattering. I might keep it. I'm gonna keep the shorts. I'm probably gonna keep that the white blouse with the lace detail. I'm just feeling really good about the things that they sent, and that's really exciting. So this is probably I'm probably getting close to like my last fixes with Style Pass, which means after that point I will have to pay a styling fee again. I have to say that not having to pay the styling fee made almost zero difference in whether I kept anything or not. I think I only sent maybe 2 boxes back without keeping anything. I guess that about wraps it up. You can find me on Twitter and Instagram, and you can follow me there. It'd be really cool to interact with you. Also, subscribe to my channel, Pretty Pleased with Sugar on Top. You can catch all of my other videos. I plan to do other stuff one day. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I'm Lorna. This is my Stitch Fix. This is my glorious sunroom. Thanks for stopping by. I will see you next time.